Every 2 days, I exfoliate, replenishes the skin, that sloughs away the old skin and allows new stuff to come shining through. All you need is a little, and you don't need to scrub that shit like you trying to get oil out from under your fingernails. Every 4 days, I actually use this, a power peel. This has glycolic acid in it. What this actually does, it's like when you see women go to the dermatologist to get a skin peel, do them at home, your entire face. Do it before you shave, like where you have scarring and stuff like that. It actually breaks down those things and allows them to slough away. If you're over 30, you start using a serum. Your skin gets old. You want to start using a serum. This is a protein booster. I wash, rinse, wash again, and then once I clean, I'll actually use my toner. Yep, it's a whole goddamn regimen. You're right. You want to be a good-looking motherfucker? You want to stay looking good, or you want to look like a beat-up truck? Tell me that shit, nigga. Do it. So wash, rinse, wash. Then you apply your daily toner. I do this every day. Then over 30, you want to apply a serum. Serum goes under. Then what are you going to do? You have to have a moisturizer. Do not put that damn lotion you have on your body on your goddamn face. And dude, all this takes me less than 15 minutes because you get good at it. Boom, 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 boom. Wash, toner, protein booster, serum, moisturizer. And you want to moisturize here and get under your neck too. See, now I'm going to tell you, a lot of you guys never learned how to do this. You think, oh man, this is some gay fag shit. Let me tell you something. So many black men in particular, we think the more rugged or rustic some shit is, the more manly. I'm not going to clean. I'm not going to do it, nigga. I'm going to clean my face with, I'm going to use Tide. That's how strong of a man I am. I'm going to wash my face with Dawn dish. You do that. You go ahead and do that. And then when you look like who done it with your face up on the TV, go ahead. Most guys weren't taught how to do this. We were taught just to go wash. But you see your mother and if you had sisters, they were in the bathroom forever. We weren't taught to prioritize ourselves. I am going to make it cool to be a well-groomed, sexy man. That's my whole point. You don't want to do all the shit I talk about on my channel if you don't clean your body first, man. Nigga, get a pair of clippers. Keep your beard at the nice level. Keep your lines nice and tight. 3 guards and a brush on this. You know what else you do with this? Shave your fucking nuts. Time to talk about Big Al and the twins. It's time to talk about how to keep your dick keeping your balls on fleck. And there is nothing worse in spring and summertime than you motherfuckers out here with swamp crotch and swamp ass. No chick wants to smell your sweaty balls, your salty balls. Shave your shit. Use the lowest guard and keep that shit clean. Make a design. You don't have to go bald down there, but you need to shave. Put your goddamn glasses on and make sure. And for you, when you start to shave down the shaft of your dick, you want to go against the grain. But you don't want to go completely bald because I don't want you guys getting ingrown hairs and things like that. This is going to be weird at first, especially if you've never done it. But I'm going to tell you, when you shave your balls and Manscaped down there, it is such a relieving feeling. You can just, it's not as warm, it's not as hot down there. And honestly, women love to service a well manicured lawn. They do, man. You can decide if you want to, I say shave your nuts too. You don't want hairs growing everywhere, but you need to keep it maintained. Speaking of which, let's get into, you guys know what this is. What's that for? These are Equate flushable wipes. What are these for? Wipe your ass, niggas. Stop wiping your ass with paper, with toilet tissue. These need to sit right behind your toilet. And after you take a shit, you wipe until the brown is gone. And yes, you also need to put your index finger, your middle finger up and around your bunghole a little bit, nigga. Yeah, you need to go, not no freaky shit now. Don't get no good stupid. But you need to make sure you clean out to where you don't want no fucking dingleberries, man. And you cannot wipe yourself clean enough with toilet tissue because it's not moisturized. We don't have a bidet where you can actually spray that water on your ass. Leave these in your bathroom. Bitches will appreciate it. Niggas will appreciate it. Wipe your ass with these and then dry off with paper towel, with toilet paper. And toilet paper, stop buying that single ply shit. Get double ply, some Charmin, some shit, man. Take care of your asshole. You're gonna have a woman stick her tongue up in it. She might as well be well kept for her. As we get into the spring and summertime, invest in these. These are called dude wipes. After you do your shower and all that other stuff, and that's your morning routine. But what happens? You at work and you're just not feeling fresh. You're just not feeling as clean as you want to. Dude wipes. This is a shower in a bag. You can wipe your face. I use this on my face often during the spring and summer because I hate a dirty face, man. Especially if you wear glasses, it gets us all in your shit. Wipe your face, wipe behind your ears, wipe your neck. Yep, dude wipes. All right, let's talk about something else. How many guys have ever gone and got a manicure? If you've never gone and got a manicure, the nerve of you niggas. You are not a grown goddamn man with raggedy ass nails. I've seen so many cool, fly looking dudes, man, with fingernails that just look like shit. A woman is looking at your hands and imagining your fingers inside her vagina. She don't want your shit to look like you've been digging in the mine. Go get a manicure. But I know some of you guys on a budget. So what you need to do is you need to invest in a clipper set. Fingernail clipper, toenail clipper, nose, clip them damn nose hairs, niggas. Don't be having the hairs growing out everywhere. Clip your shits. And then a fingernail file. So in between the time of going to get your professional manicure or your pedicure, as it were, you need to keep your shit trimmed. Keep your shit trimmed at a great length and get you a real fingernail file. Some of that coarse shit. Clip your nails, clean out from under your nails, and just keep them buffed. For 99 cents, you can get a manicure. All right, so there's one side that's rough, and it takes away the ridges. How y'all doing, man? Y'all learn anything? A little hottie come by your house, and she see this kind of shit in your bathroom. She's getting wet. She's like, ooh, at least this dude take care of himself. Takes away the ridges in the nail. Then what you want to do is it'll smooth that same very nail. After you remove the ridges, you want to smooth it. See how it's starting to shine? Also, grown men have fucking tweezers. Some tweezers, niggas. Plucking random errant fucking hairs, errant eyebrows and shit. Tweezers. All right. Another thing. After you start keeping your nails and stuff taken care of, it's the same thing with your feet. Clip your toenails. Keep your toenails. Dude, you will fuck up some quality loving if you hit a chick with them eagle claws. Man, keep them shits cleaned, manicured, and taken care of, man. I cannot stress. What does C-Boogie stop sleeping in your socks? Dude, you want this in your life. I'm not a big pedicure dude, but I will go. But my stuff stays manicured. I can take off my shoes and socks anytime and be cool. You should be able to be that way too.